Children, now in the moral values, I have already given the assignment. You have done your 2 assignments. Now, today you are going to do the moral values project work. Okay. Now, for that project work, what you have to get? You have to get one drawing sheet and you have to get some marble papers, fevicol and sketch pens. Okay. Children, now the first project you are going to make, the first lesson what you learned in that moral values, that is all about the fish. So today I'll be going to teach you one origami fish. Ready? Now take out your marble paper like this. Okay. Now this is a square marble paper. First you fold it into a triangular fold. This is triangular fold. And when you open it, you can see one straight line. In that line, you have to fold the normal. You have to make the both the sides. You have already folded in previous lesson also. So this is the way you have to fold it. Okay, now what is that? This is a blue color and this one is that. And the same way you have to fold this side also. You have folded in this way. Okay, all this way you have to fold in this way. Have you seen this? Yes, correct. Now you open one of the small side. This is the small side. This is the big side. And this is the small side. You have to make it outside one flappings. You have to make one outside flapping. This side and this side. Both the side. You have to make some flapping. So when you see like this, see, can you see how is it looking? See how it is? This is your fish. This is the wing. What is this? Fins they have on they. Okay. And here. Now what is the fish will be having? It will be having one tail. So in this side, this is the long side. You have to cut in the middle. You ask your parents to help it. You don't cut it. Okay. You have to cut into two, not full, only this much you have to cut it. And in this side you have to fold one side, fold to the opposite side, open it, again you fold to this side. Now you bring both the things together. Okay. Now when you see this, see here, you can see a good fish. Have you seen this fish? See here. Now what the fish will be having? Yeah, you can see this fish. You have to fit. Now what the fish will be having? The fish will be having with a sketch pen. Draw one part like this. Draw one eyes. See here. And if you want, you can draw some scales out of it. See here. You can draw some scales as you wish. You all might have seen fish. And where does a fish live? Fish live in water. In the first lesson, I taught you about the Pinky the fish. The fish was very proudy fish. Okay. And here draw lines. Here draw lines. In the tail draw lines. And now you have finished the fish. Now what you have to do? In the sheet, you turn back side and put some gum. Put very little bit gum. Don't put like a bread jam. And then you paste it. if you want, you can draw some water. You can draw some water. And what is the moral of the story, Pinky Fish? What you have to write? Never to be proud. That is the proverb of this lesson. In the heading, what you will write? Never to be proud. What is the moral of the story of the Pinky Fish? That is never to be proud. You have to underline it. With the sketch pen, you can underline. And here, all here, you can draw some water. Okay. What you will be drawing? You have to draw some water. So, this is the one lesson. So, now the next chapter, the next one, in that same page, you have to draw. Now, see here, after sticking this, you have to write the proverb. What is the proverb? Never to be proud. And if you have the blue this thing, you can. Now, children, you have to write the proverb. After writing this proverb, you have to take your blue this thing. You can draw some water. You can decorate as you want. You can draw some small fishes if you want. You can draw some small fishes. How to draw that small fishes? That is left to you how you want to decorate this page. Now, we have to do the second project. I told you in the moral values, you have to do 2 projects. Now, this is the second project. For the second project, you have to take one yellow marble paper. Okay, the same way you fold into the triangular shape. This is the triangular shape. Okay, now what you want to do? You got one line. Now you have to fold the same way. You have to fold this also and this side also. Both the side you have to fold. Now one fold is there. This is a triangular fold. Again you have to fold it. The second fold, again you have to fold it this side. Now what you got? You got a very good cone like this. You got, what is that? You got a ice cream cone. You all might have enjoyed your ice cream cone. It is looking like the same ice cream cone. And the down part, you fold it. Little bit of you fold it. Now what you have to do? You have to say, take some paste and put little bit on all the sides. Put very little gum. And then in the next line, the first only I told, you have to make the 2 part of drawing sheet. The one part you have done the fish. And the second part you have to keep like this. You have to stick this in this way. You all will be wondering, what is this picture? Yes, I'll be showing now the here. You have to draw one box down. You have to draw one box down. Here, first you have to stick it and then down you have to draw one box. You have to draw one box. And here you have to, what you have to write? This is the lesson for the race. The one more story I am going to tell you. Further, the story is there about the race. So this is the trophy you have made. So what for you? You have got the prize for race. Which race? It can be hopping race, it can be running race, it can be skipping race, any race. In the center, you have to draw one circle. Here, you have to draw one circle. And here, which prize you got it? Yes, I got the first prize. I got the first prize. You can write second prize, you can write third prize, okay? Only first, second and third prize you get. And here you have to color this box. With any color you can use it. You can use some black, you have to color this. This is the base of the trophy. You have to color this. Now in the next story I'll be telling about the story of race. So for that, before that only I taught you how to make a trophy. And children, in the now it will be now some sports will be there, some competitions are there. In that you all should get the participation. If you do the participation, you will get the real trophy. So how many of you want this trophy? In the real one, this is only a paper trophy. You all like to have the new trophy, the original trophy. For that, you have to work out. Okay, and now these two are the project. And for this, what heading you have to write? Yes, you have to go on. Work till you succeed. What you will write? Try till you get your goal. Goal means what? Prize. Okay, this you have to write it and then you have to underline this. This is the second proverb for the story of the race. I'll be teaching within 2 days. In the next 2 class, I'll be teaching this. So, what is this? This is the 2 projects. Project number 1 and this is project number 2. You have to do this, you have to paste it and you have to put it in the assignment and project file. This is the project 1. Moral values, project 1 and project 2. Okay, very good. I'll see you in the next class. Bye children.